Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a new update that I got on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So to check for the update, you just have to simply go into your settings, and from there you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down now you have to select about phone. Now after selecting about phone, you will have to go into your software information, then you have to select this Google Play System Update. So there is a new Google Play System update, and you might get to see a new update over here, or the update might be already installed. Now to complete the installation process, you will have to restart your device, and you can do so by simply tapping on restart now. This installation process might take a while, so make sure to update your device when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And finally the update is completed, and as you can see now, when I will check for the new updates, it will say that your device is up to date. By the way, it is really sad to see that we are in January and Google Play System update is still running on November 1st, 2024. I hope that we will get the new update very soon. By the way, as we know that the One UI 7 beta version is now out, but still it is limited to some countries and on S24 series only. So if the One UI 7 is not available in your country, but you still want to enjoy this new clock application with these new widgets, so you can check out the link mentioned in the description for that, in which I have explained that how you can update your clock version, by which you can get to see this new One UI 7 clock icon as well. Also, if you want to see a side-by-side comparison of One UI 5 and One UI 6, so do visit the link mentioned in the description for that as well. And that's it for today's video. This was the new update that was available on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys can check out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.